Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I deep clean our living room. Carpets needing to be deep cleaned. I'm going to be vacuuming first and then over it with our steam vacuum, and afterwards I'm going to be washing our soap. This is all the boys' yogurt. And I just didn't clean it because I knew I was going to wash it today, so yeah. It just has stains everywhere. Like, I don't know, what do you guys use to clean microfiber? Because I've been having problems finding a way to clean this. Like, you see all of that? Yeah. And it's okay, I guess, since it's gray and you can't really see it from far away, but when you go close, you can definitely tell. And then all of these pillow covers. So, just gonna be washing that in the washer. And our floors have stains everywhere. I don't know if you can really tell, but alright guys, so let's get started. Hey guys, so I forgot to mention in my intro that if you guys are new to my channel, I would love it for you guys to join me and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I mainly do motherhood videos, cleaning, decluttering, organizing, and maybe some hauls in the future. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. So I'm just putting all of the pillow stuffing in these garbage bags. This is the first time I actually try this, and now that the boys are active and running around, I thought this would be better than just have them laying around everywhere. And yeah, I'm just trying to get everything together so I can put it in the washer. I didn't vacuum behind the sofas this time because I did that like a couple days ago, and I'm pretty sure it's pretty good.
From a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the leaves. Oh, getting caught in the mix.
I'm gonna start by steam vacuuming our whole carpet in the living room area today. And yeah, this is actually the first time I do this in this apartment, and we've been living here for over a year. So yeah, it was pretty gross once I had to clean out the dirty water. As you can see, it's all black. So I'm actually glad I did this.
different breed. Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist is so many that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're gonna run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the
So now I'm just wiping down our TV stand, and I actually don't put any decorations on here because the boys just grab it as soon as they get a chance. And they've actually been climbing on here lately, and it kind of freaks me out since it's glass. So we might actually get a TV mount. You guys that have toddlers or kids, do you have a dresser, or what do you use as a TV stand? I actually forgot to vacuum the windows and clean them earlier, so that's what I'm doing now. And the boys woke up from their nap a little while ago, so they decided to join me. And as you can see, they're imitating me.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds. The sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium. Sip me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm. I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward.
So the living room is nice and clean, and this took all day, guys. But the carpets turned out really good. I'm actually gonna probably be doing this maybe twice a year, deep cleaning the carpets, and I'm gonna be deep cleaning the whole house in sections. So if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos, and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you guys in my next video.